Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, I want to make a video about solving some mistakes. And this video is for web developer or web engineer, but especially for web developer, because my topic is about some mistakes that usually do with web by web developer. So yeah, this is my second monthly target. So okay, just start with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, next to the slide. Let's go to the next slide. Okay. Okay. The first is building a database migration using Laravel without giving a clearer picture first. Okay. In this topic, uh, I I deliver about building a database migration using Laravel without giving a clearer picture first. Yes, because uh, some people or uh, some beginner uh, usually are not using maybe Lucid.app or Whimsical, but they always or usually directly build a website without make structure or architecture. Okay, let's check the example. Okay, this is I have Lucid.app. Okay, wait. Okay, sit. Okay, Lucid.app is a website or an application that can help us to make structure or architecture of our website. So usually, a lot of beginner are not using this website. They directly build the website, but only start with front end and then start with database, but they just uh how to say it, they don't know the relation between the a the first database with the second database. So this is the example I will give. Okay, I have okay, this is the project of our class. Visit app is very useful because we can make a lot of diagram or something like that. And this is the example. Okay. Uh, okay. This is the example of the what is that? The flow or the relation between the first database and the second database. Yeah, usually beginner are not use this website, but they directly build the website without make the architecture. So this is the architecture. It will be useful if you use this because when you build a website start with this architecture, it can make us easier. Yeah, because we know uh, what is how many type of data that we need in product database or something like this, and what is the relation of cart between cart and products. So the relation is one to one, like this, one to one. And Lucid app is very useful. And how about Whimsical? Okay, let's just check. It's same Whimsical and Lucid app, but there there are some different between Whimsical and Lucid.app. So yeah, just log in with my Google account. Okay, so this is the what is that? The UI of Whimsical. Different with what is that? Lucid.app. Yeah, this is the view. Yeah, I like Lucid app view, but Whimsical view is not bad. So you can use Whimsical or Lucid.app if you want to make a web. I mean, if you want to make an architecture of your website. So okay, next to the next. Let's go to next slide. Okay, build a website that has input forms without using CSRF. So this is the uh, common mistake for those that using Bootstrap framework. Okay, if you don't know Bootstrap framework, I will explain to you what is Bootstrap framework. So Bootstrap framework is a framework that will help you to make a UI, or what is that? To make a front end for your website. So if you use Bootstrap, it will be easier. So this is the website Bootstrap. Okay, this is the website. It will be easier for you because there are many documentation in this website. Okay, example, I want to make a carousel. So just type it, carousel. Okay, and then boom, we have a code of carousel that we can use it. So just copy, and then you can paste on your text editor or on your Visual Studio Code, or maybe text editor. I don't know. Okay, this is for only for website, not for Android. So okay, the common mistake is you forget to put CSRF. So what is CSRF? CSRF is encryption that can save your data. So when the user input a data or some data to your database, it will be there is an encryption on that form. So yeah, example, I have a form. Okay. Example, this form. Okay. I input my Gmail, blah, 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 at gmail.com. And then when I input this, if there is no CSRF, hacker will, hacker can take your email and can, from the email, hacker can take a lot of things because hacker can check the data without encryption. So if you uh what is that give the encryption to your form, it will be uh it will be protect then if you don't use it. Yeah, yeah, like that. So don't forget to use CSRF. But CSRF, I think it's only for Bootstrap. How about Tailwind? I don't know. Maybe I think Tailwind can use CSRF. But how about native? Actually, I don't know. I don't know the uh encryption on native because I usually use Bootstrap and the last is Tailwind. We studied with Bootstrap and Tailwind, but I ever use native, but only around 2 months. So we haven't tried to make a big website with encryption. So yeah, because we studied PHP on second semester, and yeah, we uh, just go to Bootstrap and then go to Tailwind and done. We go to Android. So okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, some PP always errors on Windows devices. Okay, this is only for Windows devices. Why? Because I don't know the real point, but my some PP is always error. So yeah, I moved to Laragon and there's no problem with Laragon. Yeah. But if you using SAMPP, if you use SAMPP, I have a solution if you got errors like this. My my SQL shut down unexpectedly. Yeah. This is the common problem if you use SAMPP uh with Windows devices. So let's go to the next slide. This is the uh how to solve if if your SAMPP is um errors. So open your C folders on your laptop. Yes, open your C folders on your laptop and then search SAMPP folder. This you can search your SAMPP folders. After that, enter the SAMPP folders. Search MySQL folder. Yes. Why? Because your errors is on MySQL folder is in MySQL folder. So you can check your MySQL folders and then uh enter it and search data folder. Yes, and then enter. Then there are some file like this area log, eb buffer, and yeah, etc. until my SQL error. So you can delete that. You can delete that things and then go to data. Go to outside. How to say? Go to my SQL folder again, and then go to backup the folder, and then enter and copy the file. Start from my SQL until down and then copy it and paste on data folder. Okay, like this. You can paste it. And then if there are some folder that same name, just skip it. Okay, if the flow is done, you can close the folder and then go to go and you can run as administrator. Yes, open your SAMPP like this. Search your SAMPP. Uh, there is run as administrator like this. So just enter it and then yeah, you can check your SAMPP and your MySQL will running. Okay, that's the common mistake on some PP errors. So next, messy code in a text editor. So this is the common mistake for beginner because uh, a lot of not a lot of yes, a lot of programmer that in intermediate or maybe advanced, they using a plugin for make it make your code are tidy. So let's go to the oh, this is the flow. You can go to your VS Code. I don't know the I don't know if uh I don't know another text editor like maybe what is that? I don't know. Another text editor. So this this example is for VS Code. Okay, just go to your VS Code and download Prettier plugin. After that, like this, you can download it, and then you can press. If you using Windows, you can press Ctrl uh, at Shift and at P. Or if you use MacBook, you can use Command with at Shift and at P. So the UI will be this, the second image, and then choose the format document. And yes, choose the format document. This, and then press configure button. Yes, there is a pop-up that will show on the bottom right button side. You can check it and press the configure and then choose Prettier Code Formatter. This. So your code will will tidy. So this is like this. Your code will tidy and you can press Control Shift. Oh, wait, I forgot. Yeah, just skip it. You can check on not in another video. Okay, just go to the next slide. Sorry, okay. Forgot to give fillable access to the column that will be filled in by the user. So this is the common mistake for yeah a lot of programmer because me also always forget to give fillable access to the user. You can check on your model. Yes, go to database. No, not database. Where is it? This. Go to app folders and then models folders. There is if you start if you haven't make anything in this folder, you just have user.php if you use PHP. Okay, this is the P label. If you forget to fill it like uh, wait, like this, if you forget it, it will be error because yeah, user cannot fill the form or user cannot or maybe we cannot access the website. We don't know. So don't forget to fill the fill label first, and yeah, maybe you can fill it after you make the migration if you use Laravel. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Okay. Next. Doesn't create a validation system for the data that will be input by the user. Yeah, this is the common mistake. Because uh, this is the important things that we must do when we make a website. And if you forgot to create a validation system, your website will uh, your hacker will come to your website and then your website will crash. Yes, because there's no validation system. So hacker can input a thing that it will be virus or something like that that we don't know. So if we use validation system, you can protect your data. So you can validation all of data that user input. Example, I want to input an image and the format is PNG. And in the validation system, there is protection that cannot input PNG file. So I cannot input PNG file like that. Yeah. Or the validation system is allow only for PNG file. So I can input, but how if I use JPEG? We don't know. We don't know. We cannot input it. Yeah. So okay, example guys. Okay, I forgot where I okay, wait. Okay, this is the example. Ah, this is the validation. Why? Because there is a validation in post request.php. We put on we put on this parameter, and then if we check the file post.request.php, there is a validation about title, content, and image. Title is required and maximum is 255, and the content is required. If you don't fill it, you cannot enter it. You cannot press the enter or upload maybe. And if you want to upload an image, you can upload it. Or if you want to upload music, maybe music, you cannot upload it because the validation is must image. Yeah, and then there is it must be authorized or you must log in. You must log in because the what is this? The authentication is checked or you must log in. Yeah. And next is if you want to display photos, forget to do a storage link and change this file system underscore disk in the env. Yeah. A lot of what is programmer usually forget to do this. Yes. Because when you want to display your image on your website, you forgot to do this. You cannot display your image. Yeah. Uh wait. I will turn on my Laravel first. Okay. And then go to our website. News app. News app dot test. Is it okay? Okay. This is the example. If I uh if I if I don't give uh permission or what is that storage link or put the what is this? We go to env first. Okay, there's file system list. Now, if I don't change it to public, I cannot see my image. And yeah, if I cannot see my image, there is no image in this website. But put if I change the local into public and I type PHP uh, storage uh, storage link, and then yeah, we can see your image on your website. Okay. You can try it. And then next, forgot to make it responsive if using native. Yes, that's the common point because yeah, where some website are using uh native native using native, and then they forgot to make it responsive. So you cannot the user cannot use your website on their phone. It's only for laptop or computer. So this is the common point, and this is the important things that we must do. But if you use like Bootstrap or Tailwind, you don't need to make it responsive because uh, it's already responsive when you import the CDN of Bootstrap or Tailwind. Yeah. Okay. This is uh the last. Not I mean we can close our videos now because there's no material after this responsive. So yeah, maybe that's all. If you have some question, you can give the question to my email maybe. Or yeah, I hope you don't have some question because uh I don't want to answer it. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. If I have some mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you very much. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.